Would you like to know which staff members provide the best customer service? Your customers can tell you. Besides staff, you can even collect feedback on products, services, or even venue spaces. You can collect hundreds of thank yous that will motivate your staff or get valuable ideas and suggestions on how to improve your service. While positive feedback is visible to everybody, all suggestions are collected and managed privately between you and your customers. Progressive Analytics will reveal critical times when feedback is at its best and worst, or tell you how much time your manager needs to answer customer feedback. Integration with your CRM system or importing from your customer database allows you to request feedback after any interaction or purchase. Hundreds of businesses from finance, automotive, retail, F&B, hospitality, telecoms, utility, and even education, healthcare, public transport, media, and municipalities use Staffino to identify the best staff or services, to compare customer excellence at each venue, or identify the brand ambassadors amongst your customers. Don't forget, customer care is king. Register today, fill in the profiles of your staff, and let your customers send you their first feedback via the app or web. Staffino.